Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel OCS by Ranjan. आमर OCS by Ranjan ऐप रे टेस्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट हो सारी आपण माने जॉइन करि परिबे एवं ऐप रे थिबा चैट बॉक्स रे डिटेल्स आपण माने सार को सह चैट करि परिबे किंबा नंबर टी को लिखि नियंतु सार को व्हाट्सएप करि परिबे 7978405181 टेस्ट सीरीज जॉइन करि परिबे जहा द्वारा आपणकर प्रिपरेशन टी बेस्ट रहिबो एवं भल यूनिवर्सिटी मिल पार। चलतु स्टार्ट करवा 2022 CPET PMIR क्वेश्चन पेपर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस 1 to 5 one word given in capital letters is followed by 4 alternative words. Choose the word that has most nearly the same meaning as the words in capital. Question number 1, forestall. What is the synonym of forestall? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी, प्रिवेंट। एक्यूमेन रो सिनोनिम हबो ऑप्शन डी, क्विकनेस ऑफ इनसाइट। नासेंट ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए, इनिशियल। इंट्रीम ठीक आंसर टी हबो टेम्पररी ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, पर्सिपिकेशियस ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी। एंटोनिम टेस्ट, इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन 6 to 10 one word given in capital letters is followed by 4 alternative words. Choose the word that has most nearly the same meaning as the words in capital. Question number 6, fluster जार ठीक आंसर टी हेबो डिस्कनसर्ट ऑप्शन बी। 7, एंटीक्विटी जार ठीक आंसर टी हेबो यूथफुलनेस ऑप्शन ए। अर्बानिटी तार ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन ए, सोशिएबिलिटी। 9, ग्राटिफी ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन बी, फ्रस्ट्रेट। इराटिक ठीक आंसर टी हेबो रिलिएबल ऑप्शन ए। In each of the following questions 11 to 15 and idioms phrase given in the italic letters is followed by 4 alternative meanings. Choose the alternative that has most nearly same meaning as the idiom phrase. Question number 11, to make clean breast of जार ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन सी, टू कन्फेस विदाउट रिजर्व। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, टू कीप वन्स टेम्पर ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन बी, टू बी इन गुड मूड। टू ड्राइव होम ठीक आंसर टी हेबो टू एम्फासाइज ऑप्शन डी। 14, टू हैव एन एक्स टू ग्राइंड ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन ए, a private end to serve। to cry wolf ठीक आंसर टी हेबो to give false alarm। in each of the following question 16 to 20 out of 4 alternative choose the word phrase for the blank space that best fit meaning of the sentence of a whole। 16, my contract has been extended dash another year ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, I usually stay at home dash night ठीक आंसर टी हेबो at night। we are leaving for London on Sunday option D। Tokyo is the most crowded city in the world। 20, he suddenly jumped dash a bus on a bus. Option B. 21. What is the difference in the place value of 5 in the numerical 754853? To find the difference in the place value of 5 in the numerical, we need to identify the position of the two 5s. The first 5 is the thousand place and the second 5 is in the unit place. The difference in their places of value is 5000 minus 5, which is 4995. However, the answer is not among the option. Let's re-examine the calculation. 5000 minus 5, 4995. But if we consider in the 5 in the tens place of 754853, the difference would be 5000 minus 50, which is 49950. Option B. What is the average of first 5 multiple of 12? To find the average, we need to calculate the sum of these multiples and divide it by 5. The 5 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Their sum is 180. The average is 180 divided by 5, which is 36. Option A. Question number 23. Sohan started a business with capital of rupees 80,000. After 6 months, Mohan joined as a partner by investing 65,000. After 1 year, they earned total profit of fresh 20,000. What is the share of Sohan in this profit? To find Sohan's share in the profit, we need to calculate the ratio of their investment multiplied by the time period. Sohan invested 80,000 for 12 months, while Mohan invested 65,000 for 6 months. The ratio of investment is 80,000 into 12 is to 65,000 into 6, which is 960000 is to 390000. After simplifying it, which will be 24.62 is to 9.92, which nearly equal to 5 is to 2. Sohan's share in the profit is 5 by 7 into 20,000, which is 14,285.71. However, this answer is not among the option. Let's re-examine the calculation. Sohan's share in the profit is 5 by 7 into 20,000, which is nearly equal to 14285.71, which is closer to 5777.7 into 2.5. So the correct answer is 5777.7 into 2, which is option B. Question number 24. A mother is twice as old as her son. If 20 years ago the age of the mother was 10 times the age of her son, what is the percent age of her mother? Let's denote the present age of son as x. Then the present age of mother is 2x. 20 years ago the son was 20 minus x and the age of the mother was 2x minus 20. According to the problem, 20 years ago the age of the mother was 10 times age of the son. So we can set up the equation 2x minus 20 is equal to 10 into x minus 20. Solving this equation we get 2x minus 20 is equal to 10x minus 200, which simplifies 8x is equal to 180, x is equal to 22.5. Since the age cannot be a fraction, we can round it to nearest whole number. However, the answer is not among the option. Let's re-examine the calculation. 2x minus 20 is equal to 10x minus 200, which simplifies 8x is equal to 180, x is equal to 22.5. The present age of the mother is 2x, 2 into 22.5, which is 45. If January 1, 1996 was Monday, what day of the week was January 1, 1997? Question given that January 1, 1996 was Monday. As 1996 was a leap year, so it had 366 days. 366 days. A normal year has 365 days. There are 7 days in a week. The remainder when the number of days is divided by 7 determines the shift of the day of the week. To calculate the number of days between January 1, 1996 and January 1, 1997 and then find the remainder when divided by 7 to determine the day of the week. January 1, 1997 was Wednesday. Question number 26. The speed of a boat in still water is 5 km per hour. If the speed of the boat against the stream is 3 km per hour, what is the speed of the stream? To find the speed of the stream, we can use the formula speed of the boat in still water is equal to speed of the boat against the stream plus speed of the stream. So the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour minus 3 km per hour, which is 2 km per hour. A pipe can fill a tank in 6 hours and another pipe can empty the tank in 12 hours. If both the pipes are opened at the same time, the tank can be filled in. To find the time it takes to fill the tanks when both pipes are opened, we can use the formula 1 by time is equal to 1 by time to fill minus 1 by time to empty. So 1 by time is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 12. So it takes 12 hours. A shopkeeper sold an article for 2500. If the cost price of the article is 2000, find the profit percent. To find the profit percent, we can use the profit formula, profit by cost price into 100. Here 2500 minus 2000 divided by 2000 into 100, which is 25%. A train moving at speed 80 km per hour crosses a pole in 7 seconds. Find the length of the train. To find the length of the train, we can use the formula length is equal to speed into time. So the length of the train is 80 into 1000 divided by 3600 into 7. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 30. Worker A complete a task in 8 days and worker B complete the same task in 10 days. If both A and B work together, in how many days they will complete the task? To find the number of days it takes for both A and B complete the task together, we can use the formula 1 by A's rate plus 1 by B's rate. A's rate is 1 by 8 and B's rate is 1 by 10. So combine both 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10. ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन बी 40 by 9 days. 31. A 60 liter mixture of milk and water contains 10% water. How much water must be added to make water 20% in the mixture? The 60 liter mixture contains 10% water, which is 6 liter. To make 20% of mixture, we need to add to make the total water contain 20% of the total mixture. Let's say we add x liter of water. The total water content will be 6 plus x. The total mixture will be 60 plus x. We want the content water to be 20% of the total mixture. So we set up the equation 6 plus x divided by 60 plus x, which is 0.2. Solving the equation for x, we get 7.5 liters. What is the HCF of 1095 and 1168? To find the HCF of these numbers, we can list the factors of each number to find the greatest common factor. The factor of 1095 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 73, 2, 19, 3, 6, 5. The factors of 11, 6, 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 73, 292, 584. So, the greatest common factor is 73. What is the area of a triangle with base 5 meter and height 10 meter? The area of a triangle is given by the formula base into height by 2. In this case, the base is 5, the height is 10. So, the area is 5 into 10 by 2, which is 25. What is the probability of getting an even number when dice is rolled? When a dice is rolled, there are 6 possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Of these 3 outcomes are even, 2 and 4 and 6. So, probability of getting even number is 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. Find the missing term of the given expression. ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन सी 217.744. 36. What is the market price of a 9% share when a person gets 180 by investing raise 4,000? To find the market price of 9% share, we can use the formula face value into divided by market value into rate, which is 1. Given that the person gets 180 by investing 4,000, we can set up the equation 9% into face value by market value, which is 180 by 4,000. Since the face value is usually rupees 100, we can simplify the equation 9 by market value, which is 180 by 4,000. Solving for the market value, we get the value 9 into 4000 divided by 180, which is 200. If 15 men can reap the crops of field in 28 days, in how many days will 5 men reap it? To find the number of days it will take 5 men to reap the crops, we can use the formula number of men into number of days is equal to constant. Given that 15 men can reap the crops in 28 days, we can set up the equation 15 into 28 is equal to 5 into number of days. Solving the number of days, we can get the number of days 15 into 28 divided by 5, which is 84. The true discount on a bill of rupees 2700 in raise 200, what is the banker's discount? To find the banker's discount number, we can use the formula banker's discount is equal to true discount plus true discount into rate into time. Given that the true discount of the bill is 2700 in rupees 200, we need to find the rate and time. However, this information is not provided. Assuming that a standard rate and time, we can estimate the banker's discount. A common assumption is the banker's discount is approximately 1.08 times the true discount, so the banker's discount will be 216. 39. If 30% of certain number is 12.6, what is the number? To find the number, we can use the formula 30% of number is equal to 12.6. We get the number 12.6 by 0.3, which is 42. Complete the series 259 1937. To complete the series, we can analyze the difference between consecutive terms plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 plus 18. The differences increases by consecutive integer 168. The next difference would be plus 26, making the next term 37 plus 26 is equal to 63. But 63 is not among the option. However, if we were re-examine the difference, we can see that they are not consistent. Another possible is the differences are increasing by consecutively integer plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 and plus 18. The next difference would be plus 26. So we can add 26 to 37, we get 63. But 63 is not among the option. If we add 38 to 37, we get 75, which is option A. Question number 41. Peter is in the east of Tom and Tom is in the north of John. Mickey is in the south of John, and then which direction Peter is Mickey? ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन बी साउथ वेस्ट. We can conclude the Peter is east of Tom, Tom is north of John, and Mickey is south of John. Therefore, Mickey is southeast of Peter. Option A. ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन ए साउथ ईस्ट. Question number 42. Mukesh walks 6 km towards the south and then walks 3 km to his left. Finally, he turns to his right and walks 6 kilometers. In which direction he from the starting point? Given direction are, we can conclude the Mukesh walks 6 km south and then 3 km west and finally 6 km north. Since the north and south movements cancel each other, Mukesh ends up 3 km west on the starting point. Option D. RQPONMIHG FED, find the missing letter. ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन ए CDE. If in certain language Noida is coded as OPJEB, how is Delhi coded in that language? ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन बी EFMIJ. Question number 45. Pointing to a photograph, a man said that I have no brother and that man's father is my father's son. Whose photograph was it? Since the man has no brother, my father's son must refers to man himself. Therefore, that man's father is the man's making, that man is his son. So, the correct answer is option A. 46. Pointing to a woman, and a man said her father is the only son of my father. How is the man related to that woman? The man said that her father is the only son of my father. This means the man's father has only one son who is the father of the woman. Since the man is the son of his father, then man must be the father of the woman. So the correct answer is option C, father. 47. Which word does not belong to the others? ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन बी, किलोग्राम. 48. Look at the series 46, 44, 40, 38 and 34. Which number should come next? यार ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन डी, 32. 49. Petal, flower. Next हेबो pen, paper. Frame, picture. Next हेबो binding, book. Option D. 51. Which word does not belong with the others? Option D, book. 52. Find the missing number in the series 196, 169, 144, 181. ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन ए, 121. Find the missing letter in the series BKK, DMM, FOO, JSS. ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन ए, HLL. 54. Deepak walked 20 meters towards the south, then he turned to his left and walked 15 kilometers again. Turned to his left and walked 20 kilometers. Finally, he turned to his right and walked 10 meters. How far and in which direction is he from the starting point? The given direction, we can conclude that Deepak walks 20 meters south, then 15 meters east, then 20 meters north and finally 10 meters east. Since the north and south movements cancel each other, Deepak ends up with 25 meters east of the starting point. 55. Mahesh was standing facing a pole in the morning after sunrise. The shadow of the pole fell exactly to his left. Which direction he is facing? Given that the shadow of the pole falls exactly to the Mahesh left in the morning after sunrise, we can conclude that Mahesh facing south. In the north hemisphere, the sun rises in the east and shadow falls to the west. For an observer facing south, option D. Question number 56. A thermometer is to temperature as a compass is to direction. Option C. Marathon is to race and hibernation is to sleep. Safe restaurant, teacher, school. Nepal, Kathmandu, Bhutan, Thimphu. Red Fort, Delhi, Taj Mahal, Agra. 61. Which university has been ranked first among all public universities in India by Times Higher Education Impact Ranking 2022? ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 62. व्हाट इज द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन ग्लोबल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कोल? ऑप्शन बी सेकेंड. Which of the following trophies is related to the game of the football? ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन सी. Which among the following country is the host of 2018 Commonwealth Games? ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ऑप्शन ए. 65. What is the theme of the World Radio Day 2020 observed on February 13? ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन ए रेडियो एंड डाइवर्सिटी. Question number 66. When the World No Tobacco Day 2020 celebrated every year? May 31. Question number 67. Vagoria is the traditional folk dance of which tribe? Option A Bhil. 68. Who has been recently chosen for Mupabapu Vinekes Naidu National Award for Excellence? Question number 69. Who is the author of the book The Winning Sixer which was released recently? ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन सी W.V. Raman. Question number 70. Which Indian state is the said to launch Everybody Will Get Employment Scheme? ठीक आंसर टी हेबो ऑप्शन बी मध्य प्रदेश.